Welcome back to Momentum Trading. Today, we're breaking down the difference between centralized wallets and decentralized wallets, and helping you figure out which one fits your needs with real examples. Let's start with centralized wallets. These are wallets managed by third parties like exchanges. Examples: Binance Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, or Kraken Wallet. They're super convenient and user-friendly, making them perfect for beginners. But here's the trade-off: the provider holds your private keys. If the exchange is hacked or freezes your account, your funds could be at risk. Now, let's talk about decentralized wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Ledger hardware wallets. These give you full control over your private keys and funds. They're ideal for security and privacy, but with great power comes great responsibility. Lose your keys and your funds are gone forever. So, which one should you use? If you're trading frequently or just starting out, centralized wallets like Binance or Coinbase are convenient. For long-term storage or extra security, decentralized wallets like MetaMask or Ledger are the way to go. Many traders actually use a mix of both. That's the scoop on wallets. Remember, your choice depends on your goals and how much control you want. If this helped, smash that like button, share and subscribe to Momentum Trading for more quick crypto insights. See you next time.